Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarela, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. So now let us see what are the causes which cause acanthosis nigricans, and also remember acanthosis nigricans is the main or the primary symptom of a lot of chronic diseases. So let us see what causes acanthosis nigricans. First and foremost is obesity and insulin resistance. You have to understand that acanthosis nigricans is very common, or the commonest cause of it is obesity, which is like the people who are suffering with obesity are increasing day by day. So even this problem is also increasing day by day. Even obesity with insulin resistance, the people who are suffering from these two diseases also really high. If you're developing obesity due to hypereating, hyperlipidemia, or if you're developing obesity because of Cushing syndrome, or if you're developing obesity because of hypothyroidism, obesity due to PCOS, all of this will have insulin resistance as the background member. So that is the main cause. Apart from this, a long-term insulin resistance can lead to type 2 diabetes. Whenever you are having acanthosis nigricans and you are having positivity for insulin resistance test, then you can develop type 2 diabetes in next 5 years. I mean, if you are having poor diet control, you can develop it in 1 to 2 years. If you are having good control, then you can reverse it here. But if you're not having good control and you're not having too bad control, you're somewhere in the middle with improper sleep or improper lifestyle changes, then you can suffer from type 2 diabetes in 5 years. Apart from that, polycystic ovarian syndrome we see commonly, especially people who work in as our clients into this Fidelis Homeopathy, or people who are online share pics of their dark, thick, leathery neck, the elbows and the armpits. Acanthosis nigricans appears 2 to 3 years before your type 2 diabetes. Also, it appears as the first sign in PCOS if it is having insulin resistance as the background. It appears as the first sign in Cushing syndrome also. So you should not take this acanthosis nigricans for granted, right? And then we have Cushing syndrome, as I already told. People who stress out a lot or have familial tendencies, they have high cortisol level, which leads into Cushing syndrome. And people who are suffering from hypothyroidism and obesity can show acanthosis nigricans as a primary feature. After certain medications, if you are feeling that your body is getting a little darker, or your back of the neck, your armpits or your elbows are becoming a little bit thicker and darker, stop the medications and consult your doctor who has prescribed that as soon as possible. Apart from that, in certain cancers and in familial tendencies, you do suffer from acanthosis nigricans, right? And if you are having a lot of stress and you're not eating properly, sometimes in syphilitic conditions, like people who have or who take blame on themselves and continuously say bad things to themselves and degrade themselves, will suffer from autoimmune, mostly suffer from autoimmune diseases. So if they are and acanthosis nigricans can also be a part of this autoimmune disease. Apart from that, there are certain genetic syndromes which lead into acanthosis nigricans, right? So anyhow, acanthosis nigricans is a primary feature, or it is just like a sign which says like something is wrong in your body, and you have to change, or you have to make your lifestyle much more better. If you're someone who is suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, Fidelis Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two kinds of consultation options. One is the online consultation option, and the second one is the in-person or the offline consultation option. If you're someone who is staying near the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person. But if you're staying far away from us, you can contact us online, either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. After the doctor consultation has been taken place and the investigations are verified and the case is completely taken and grasped from you, especially to the online clients, the medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. Apart from that, anywhere across the globe, we can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you want to get in touch with us or contact us, you can call us, WhatsApp us, or messages on the number which is given here. Apart from that, if you still want to know about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, you've understood how homeopathy is a better choice for lifestyle disorders, and here we are discussing why Fidelis Homeopathy is much better choice in homeopathic field. Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we are following 3 principles. The first being that we are already dealing cases with PCOS, PCOD, acanthosis nigricans, hirsutism, hair fall, bulky uterus, fibroids, adenomyosis, endometriosis, cervical erosion, and we are having very high success rate in treating them. Apart from that, the treatment here at Fidelis Homeopathy is transparent, which means there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The doctor will clearly explain to you the prognosis of the case, right? And then we have personal care here at Fidelis, which is top notch. All your queries, all your questions will be answered. We will be educating you on your disease. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidelis Homeopathy.